Tired of juggling multiple hosting accounts for your WordPress websites? Today, we're diving into how to host multiple WordPress sites efficiently using Hostinger, saving you time and money. First things first, you'll need a Hostinger account. I suggest premium or business plans since these allow you to host up to 100 websites. Check the description for a link to sign up with a discount. After signing up, log into your Hostinger account from your dashboard. Navigate to the hosting section here. You'll see a list of your active hosting plans. Select the plan you want to use for your WordPress sites. Now, find the Add Website button. It's usually prominently displayed. Clicking this will start the process of adding a new website to your hosting plan. Follow the prompts. Hostinger will ask if you want to create a new website or migrate an existing one. Choose to create a new WordPress website. You'll then be guided through the WordPress installation process. Pick a strong password, choose a theme, and complete the initial setup. Repeat this Add Website and WordPress installation process for each new site you want to host. To keep your websites running smoothly, monitor your resource usage. Hostinger provides tools to track CPU, memory, and disk space usage. If you notice any site slowing down, consider optimizing its content or upgrading your hosting plan for more resources. Optimizing your WordPress sites is key. Use caching plugins like Lightspeed Cache or WP Rocket. Compress your images and choose a lightweight theme to boost performance and user experience across all your hosted sites. So, unleash the power of Hostinger to centralize your WordPress websites and manage them like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress and hosting tips.